I'm about to whittle a spoon. I figured I would show you how I do it.
So I have all this scrap wood that I need to use up. So I need a little tiny spoon. This will probably be perfect. Before I start actually carving out my spoon, I'll just sketch what I want my spoon to look like on the piece of wood. It just makes it a lot easier. I have my little sketch done. Now I'm going to start carving. I've got all the tools I need. I'm going to take my wood and we're going to go find a nice little spot to sit outside. Okay, good enough. I always save these because it makes a great fire starter. This is just the easiest way to dig this part out, just to throw it in here, rather than trying to hold it and dig it out. Put this right in here, tighten it up. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna mark my area. Not too shabby. So this one is almost done. Just need to put some oil on it. She'll be ready to use.